Hey guys, I'm planning a buy in Nifty and I cannot buy it in market due to my account's capacity of handling the risk. So I think I'll be getting filled on this one. And let's see what happens on this one. Please make sure whoever taking this trade is risking 2% of their account on this trade. I think we got filled on this one. I think no. So I'll be updating you as we go along on this trade. Hey guys, as you can see, I'm booking full of the profits at the targets. You guys can continue if you want, but for that you have to do your analysis on that. So make sure you're doing that. You're not following me blindly. It's kind of easy trade, but very, very painful trade also. If you go over here, so you can see why I keep the stop wherever I keep them. I have very specific rules to keep my stops in the trades. So whenever I take my entry, I figure out my stop first and then I execute my entry. I don't take the entry and then figure out my stop. All right. So if you are doing it correctly, so market can never hit you out of the trade if you are doing the analysis correct. All right. So that's the power of the structure based placement of the stop. So anyways, another good trade into our pocket. So I'll see you soon once I find any other good trade. Thank you so much.